Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. It's the day after Christmas here, 70 degrees, which is very unusual, and I'm taking some advantage of this weather working on the Z-car here. So decided to take care of some things I've been neglecting because I've been busy. But anyways guys, what I'm doing today is I'm actually getting rid of some of the interior coating that Datsun put in these cars, which is it's like a rubber material. In fact, I got some right here that I've already knocked out. It's just like a little rubber material, and I'm actually chiseling that out to get rid of all the stuff that doesn't trap moisture. And as you can see, I'm actually treating it with phosphoric acid, which helps prevent the rust growth, because right now I can't do a restoration. I'm not at the point where I'm ready to pull this car apart, so I'm just trying to preserve as much as I can so it doesn't continue to decay until I get to the restoration process. But as you can see, it's still got floor pans in this car, so it's got a few little pinholes and stuff where it's been exposed. But pulling all that back, and you can see where it was getting underneath this stuff, and that's what you have to watch. For the most part, it's solid, and you can see where it was solid, where it's nice. It's still actually painted metal, but where it was exposed or had lifts under it, and the water ran under it, you can see where it started kind of corroding up the floor. But anyways guys, that's something I'm doing. I'm also working on the cowl today. Go out over here. So you can see I've got the cowl opened up and treating it for rust as well. Of course, it's pretty rusty. These cars all are. I don't think I've seen one yet that didn't have rust in these cowls. But what I'm doing now, I'm the same thing. I took a wire brush and wire brushed as much as I could, and I'm doing a phosphoric acid treatment on it, and I'm just kind of letting it soak here. And then I'm going to be painting it after that with some good Rust-Oleum paint. Like I say, everything I'm doing is just preventive. It's not anything restoration wise yet. I'm just really trying to preserve the car, so when I get to the restoration it's not worse. But pulled the windshield wiper motor out. Going to be investigating that, why it doesn't work. But actually I've been driving this car since October. It's been a daily driver since October, and it's doing really good. But anyways guys, I just know it's been a while since I made a video on this car, and I just want to take a minute here and make a video. I hope all you guys are doing well, and there'll be more to come here very soon. Take care.